Good morning, friends. Today I'll be delivering a lecture on Brahmos, which is a supersonic cruise missile developed by the partnership of India and Russia. In 1990s, a need was felt for developing a cruise missile which could follow a low trajectory, with therefore making it difficult to intercept on the radar. Since India did not have the ability and the technology, it went to its long-standing partner Russia, and this was not the first time that was going to collaborate with Russia on a defense project. Therefore, in 1998, a deal was signed between the Russian defense minister and the then head of DRDO, APJ Abdul Kalam, in order to develop a cruise missile which came to be known as Brahmos. Since then, a lot of development has taken in the project, and a lot of production lines has been set up in the country, one being in Hyderabad, Telangana, and the most recent was in Amethi, in the state of UP. Owing to the modernization techniques in the armed forces and our ability to increase the technology in the country, we are contributing around 65% of the components in the missile, which would be increased to 90%, and all thanks to the Lucknow Defense Industrial Corridor. Talking about the specifications and the features of the missile can deep dive in valleys, can even hit the targets on the leeward side of the mountains, can travel over ridges. It has a speed of around 2.8 Mach. The range of the missile is from 300 to 500 kilometer, depending upon the launch vehicle it is launched from. It is used by all the three categories of the forces, namely Army, Air Force, and Navy. The Navy uses the anti-ship and the land versions, and was first test fired from INS Rajput in 2008. Several other categories of the ships have also equipped with Brahmos, such as INS Nilgiri and INS Shivali. The missile can even be test fired from subsea, that is a submarine from a depth of 40 to 50 meter, and is even equipped by the Air Force, which has a designated squadron having Sukhois equipped with Brahmos, named as the Tiger Sharks. The developments of the missile have led to introduction of another upgraded version known as Brahmos 2, which has a speed of Mach 8, which will be introduced in 2024, making it the most fastest hypersonic missile in the world. And there is another version being developed known as Brahmos new generation, or Brahmos NG, which is AI capable and will have a speed of around Mach 7 to Mach 8, and will be fitted on aircraft such as the Rafale or Tejas, making Air Force powerful than ever before. Talking about the strategic developments or the strategic advantage, developments of missiles such as Brahmos 2 will be a headache for the hostile neighbors of ours, such as China and Pakistan, as none of their anti-defense air systems would be able to intercept the missile because they don't have such capabilities. The missile has pinpoint accuracy and can hit at will. For example, in the recently we saw that Brahmos was mistakenly fired into the Pakistani territory and went 100 kilometers within the LOC without being intercepted. Therefore, in conclusion, we can say that Brahmos as a weapon has given unparalleled power to the armed forces, and is not only India as a country is not only catering its own needs, but is also exporting it to other countries such as Philippines. Recently, a deal was signed with the country amounting to $374 million, in which the Brahmos will be exported to it. Therefore, it will also help in meeting our needs, meeting our defense exports needs. We have a target of exporting 35,000 crore amount of weapons to various countries. Therefore, Brahmos has a lot of advantages. Thank you.